Here's a view of today's harvest from my garden. Welcome everybody. I hope you're having a good day. I'm giving a little update here. Look at the bloom on this, or the bud. Look on the stalk on this. I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty hefty. I'm out here gonna pick my Purple Beauty. She's a beaut. I'd love to keep her growing, but I'm gonna eat her. There we go. Beautiful pepper. I'm gonna cook her up in some stir fry. Purple Beauty. And then my strawberries here. Look at that. Proud of those. Got some more coming right there. Flowers. This is probably the best I've done on strawberries at one time, and all of them are ready to pick. So I'm going to do that. Whoops, that one's not quite. This one is. Before the birds get them. Yeah, look at that. There we go. 3 pretty strawberries. So, what's been going on out here is I replanted today. I gave up on my golden beets. So I planted some amaranth, I guess you call it. I think I'll have time. So I dug up some of my beans here that were no good anymore. Planted some amaranth there. And then I gave up on my beets, so I planted some amaranth here. Alright, there's my onions. I love to show those. And I actually kind of dug around this carrot a ways down because it's one of my bigger ones. And it was looking like it's happening. There was a pretty good looking carrot top, or carrot. So I'm excited. Maybe I'm going to get a few decent ones out of all those carrots. I didn't thin them, so I kind of just let them do their thing. My cilantro is coming up. My snap peas, my second crop of snap peas coming up. Second crop of cilantro. And let's see, what else did I want to show you? I wanted to show you the buds. I showed you this one, I think. Look at that. And this is supposed to be a teddy bear, I think, or else a double sunker. So all of these are budding up now. Here's another big one. Another big one here. On my butternut, I got one doing good right there. I'm not sure why I planted all of them the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one is way bigger than the rest. And I did notice on this one, finally, I'm getting a female, which is going to be a female flower. So I need to pay attention to that. And I was pretty sure, yep, and there's another one. Let's see, can I get it? Where are you? Just can't see it from that angle. There it is. Can you see it? So I got a couple females coming. And so I'm going to definitely be hand pollinating because I feel like it's getting late in the season. And my pumpkin, I noticed there's a female flower possibly coming too. And I made room. In my last video, I said, what am I going to do with it? Even if I get a pumpkin the size of my hand, I'll be happy. Forget about 1,500 pound. I mean, It's never going to happen. So I'm going to trail it. I made a path right here so it can go up if it needs to. I don't know if it'll get that big, but if it does, it's going to go up and over wherever. So that's that. My cucumbers, I think I counted maybe like 6 coming on there. And my round zucchini, I have this one. This will be my 3rd one that's palm size, ready to pick. And I think I counted like 9 more coming. Okay, it's time to harvest this round zucchini. It's the right size. If not, maybe it's even a little big. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it. There we go. Can you see it? I have one sunflower bud. Look at that. And it's on one of my short ones. So that might be the first to bloom on the shorter ones. Okay, I had 2. There's my another sunflower there. And then I have a lemon one right there. They're so tall. Usually I get on a ladder and stuff, but I hope you can hear me. There's my yellow one. And I have one more over there. My acorn squash, getting bigger. It has more cukes. One is outside the fence. I don't know if you can see that. And there's another one. Lots of them. I think that's it. Just wanted to give you a quick update. I'll add some wildlife at the end. Thanks for joining.